Hey, what's up guys, it's Shadowhunter here bringing you Drop Zone on Terminal. I'm gonna be sniping. I wish I recorded my last video because I did really good. I think I went like 20 and 5, which is pretty good. Just to let you know, this is like a noob-tube class. I mean, my primary isn't, but my secondary is because it's the XM25. I think me and Matt are gonna make a video on that, being the noob-tube bros. Let's just... I just want to get my care package. Where is it? Seriously. Okay. Oh. I don't really play the objective. I don't really like to play the objective. I like to do the kills, but... Dang it. I'll get them. Where is this guy? Okay, I'm gonna grab this. Man, before I was doing so good. Now I'm sucking. Just pre-fire. Really? No one's over there? Why do they keep coming from behind? That's super annoying. Shoot. God, that's a sentry. See, this is what I'm saying. Ooh. Oh, what? Ooh, that was a cheeky kill, boys. I probably won't be talking because I'm going to be trying to concentrate a lot. What the? There we go. Wait, what? How did I not get that kill? What the heck? That was so stupid. What? Those were my kills, are you? That was... This guy's died. Okay. They weren't on mine, but I got one of them. No, I want to get up there. Okay, I'm glad my teammate blew his brains out. I was... Whoa. Seriously, am I... No. There's no way I got a hit marker from that. Whoa, I got a double? Yes, I'm good. Come on! Oh man, I'm 7-5, that's not horrible. gosh, I can't. Oh crap. I should have expected dying. I was just like running into a drop zone. Oh. Let's see if we can. Oh. How was that possible? And he don't get it sometimes. Don't get it sometimes. Dang it. Let's just camping here for a little bit. Because, like, these guys don't seem to be wanting to die. Because all I do is keep getting hit markers on them. Oh, can we get up here? Yay! No. He was gonna start dying. What? Yeah. Well, he was gonna die anyway. Oh, I was just hoping for a kill. Okay, now I can get up here. I just wanna get up my prisoner tab, please and see me. Okay. That was horrible. Oh my, what the heck is that? What the heck? No. What? Yeah, it's UAV. Oh man, took my kill. No. Dang it. I'm not the best quick smoker gun. Okay. I know I'm not the best. No. Oh, I got killed in a different direction. Let them think I'm dead. What? Must have been more. No, I got stuck. Damn it. Have them come down. No. Really? How did he know I was coming here? That's stupid. Seriously, what? Wanna hit me? What was it? Well, apparently, whatever he just had on now makes him, like, invincible to bullets. I don't think that's how it works. Surprise! 22-15. That was not a bad game. In fact, that was a pretty good game for me. Oh, what? I think I found a kill. Did we lose? Oh, we lost. Dang it. 22-15. Not bad. Even though I came in second to last, that was only because, you know. Oh, extended mags. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Let's just, double attachments. But actually, let's put kick and cannon. Yay. I hope you guys enjoyed. I actually did very well for that. But I think I did a little better on my other gameplay. I'm not sure. Maybe I did better on this one. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and like button and comment your scores. Okay? Bye, and I hope you enjoyed.